Since 1998 in Brazil, Weidplas is a member of Technoploas Group. The Technoploas Group has 30 sites worldwide with more than 3,700 employees. Weidplas Brasil's facilities are located in Piracicaba, São Paulo. The development lab includes 3D modeling and 3D printing. Numerous chemical and mechanical tests are performed in-house. Technical teams are qualified for the handling and maintenance of tools. Modern facilities are optimized for raw material control and distribution. Weidplas has recognized know-how on manufacturing parts using two-shot injection molding. There are 35 machines between 150 to 1,100 tons and several injection molding processes available. Currently Weidplas has 60,000 square meters of infrastructure directed to meet customers' expectations. Weidplas is specialist on sophisticated injection molding and assembly of parts for the automotive industry, and holds all necessary competences in place to develop new products. The application of latest generation robots matches the most sophisticated companies in this business. The assembly processes include vision system support, developed internally. Weidplas applies severe inspection controls and assemblies, including mistake-proofing methods, hook-a-yoke. Several welding processes are available to increase the product variety, as well as several surface treatment processes. The metrology room is highly equipped, including modern product scanning. With more than 12,300 square meters of stock area, and 45,000 parts are shipped every day. All Weidplas customers can count on a proper structure to expand their businesses in Brazil.